If you're looking for some more modern and chic hair ideas to wear in 2022, this video is for you. So first up, we have this gorgeous pixie. Love the shape with this one. She does have side swept bangs, and her makeup is gorgeous. So next up, we see someone with a rose colored bob, and it looks like she's looking to change it up. So she decided to get more of a chin-lick style bob. Love this transformation. Her bob looks so much more sophisticated and polished with the cut. And then we move into another hair transformation. So it looks like she's getting a mid-length cut with this, as well as some blonde highlights. Absolutely gorgeous lob. Hair is all one length, bunt cut. Beautiful. I really like her top too. It's really cute. Then we move into another pixie hair transformation. This is gorgeous. I love how thick her hair is. So she can wear it up or she can wear it down if she wants to. A lot of room to play around with as far as styling is concerned. And then we see another kind of pixie transformation. So this is definitely more on the longer pixie side. Or you can call it a bixie if you wanted, in between a bob and a pixie cut. And then we see a bob transformation. Now this stylist, Chris Jones, he's known for doing some amazing bobs, so definitely check out his Instagram if you want to see more from him. This one comes to about jaw length, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so then we see a nice kind of pink tone bixie cut. So she does add some slight waves with this one. Looks like she's trying to do like the Betty Boop inspired look. Beautiful, definitely 20s vibes with this one. Yeah, so she must have been going to like a costume party or something, or Halloween. Next up, we see another gorgeous pixie cut. This one does feature side swept bangs as well. And then we see another pixie. This one is blonde. I would once again classify this as a pixie because it does have elements of both bob and a pixie cut. Great way to style your hair if you are in the process of growing your hair out from a pixie into a bob. So it looks like she's trying to either create a messy pixie cut or just like style the hair upward. Oh, maybe she did that to create more volume. Never seen that technique before. Very interesting. Because the hair now looks a lot fuller than it initially did. All right, and then we see another long pixie. This one does have very full long bangs in the front, shorter in the back, cascading layers. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this one a like, and I will see you in the next one.